So we're Eric and Robin.
I'm Robin. He's
Wander
Eric.
Boom, and this is our 2005 Ford E350 Super Duty van. It's got the Starcraft Starlight is the name of the specific model, kind of, that was turned into a bus for us, a shuttle bus. Yeah. And come on in. So we have the front separated from the back with a closet over here, and our dry bathroom area here that has our composting toilet in there. That's kind of mimics the sea head style composting toilet. And this closet's got way too much stuff, and a curtain that doesn't hold up very well, and our solar goodies all in the back there. But the best part all in the back here is our living space. We've got all this solid cedar cabinetry that I made from some cedar I got at an auction years and years ago, and that's all like one continuous board there, and then we had these beautiful walnut boards that I saved and we dragged around forever from an auction also that we finally got to utilize, and kind of based everything around that painting. A good friend of ours, Mitchell Johnson, gave us that for our wedding in '92, and so we needed to fit that in first, so this counter is a little lower than that side over there, but it works out nice because that's where we put our Camp Chef cooktop. It sits right on the counter here. And so and with the height of that, it actually works out almost the same as the other side.
Refrigerator
That's
underneath.
right, yep, and this is the winter 65 quart refrigerator freezer on big 500-pound drawer glides. So that works out real nice, and we can hide that away, and just need to latch it to keep it from flying open. There it goes, and then we can close it up when we're traveling, and it disappears there.
Nice.
Yeah. And then this side is, again, it's got the sink and everything, and more of that beautiful walnut. When I cut this out for the sink, I just couldn't see throwing away this beautiful, beautiful piece of wood. And again, that's kind of what that walnut looked like that we were taking around with us forever. But nice big deep sink for
the dishes.
Yeah, a little bit of dirty
for hiding
dishes
dirty
action
dishes.
right now, and it works out. Yeah,
Would never have known.
yeah. Got the Berkey water filter, and right now a 15-gallon freshwater tank underneath all that, and no hot water at the moment, but we're going to do kind of what you did and get one of those nice little hot water heaters at some point here in the not too distant future, probably. And then simple paracord design here to keep everything closed and all of the cabinetry from flying open, and I made these out of the walnut, same walnut as this, and they can hold everything and keeps everything from flying open on us.
Yeah.
And then the lounge / bed zone here. Again, we got a big king size memory foam mattress that we cut up into our cushions and turned into our lounge.
Table spins and
Yeah,
goes down?
The
All right.
table's got one of those lagoon table arms, so it can be all
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, flexible all over the place, and we can just pop that right off like that. Let's set it aside for a moment. And then I just recently made our little ottoman / bar stool. It's got our bar goodies under there.
Getting a little low. I see an empty spot.
That's right.
I
Yep.
know, yeah.
And so that works out as our ottoman, and it can be another stool sitting out on the end like that. But a couple turns, and then the arm comes right out and goes out of the way. And then the bed slides across. Here.
Okay.
My cubby hole's really full, so.
This goes over there like that.
And then just rearrange the cushions.
Yeah,
To...
two of the cushions just
go
drop
right
right in, and it's a queen-size bed for us.
Nice.
So, yeah. And then I also put a piano hinge at the back of this one, so we can actually close it up. I'll have to move that real quick.
Just watch out.
Yeah. But when it's totally closed, there's a cleat down here at the bottom, and so the whole thing lifts up that way as well. And we keep the blanket and sheets and some backup clothing and a bunch of other goodies
Yoga
under
mat
there.
and all kinds of stuff.
Very nice.
Yeah. And then I made these window shades. They're actually corrugated plastic is the core, but there's Reflectix on the back side and then wallpaper on the front. And then I set it so that there's little notches here so it can be at that point. It can be up at that point, it doesn't always stay, or closed up all the way. We're having a little bit of trouble with the wallpaper, but we can get some privacy, keep the heat in when we need to at different times, and that drops right on down and gives us a real nice little space.
You have a nice cutting board.
And then with our big doors here, which is, again, there used to be the handicap door here, this is kind of nice because we can typically aim it towards the south, the truck to the south, and then these will be aiming to the west, so we get our beautiful sunsets. But this one slides over too if we want to, and we can
This is extra storage.
access in and out this way as well. So nice little cutting board that we actually saved from our apartment and chopped down a little bit and just put on some of these handy little drop down hardware, so that can sit, goes away. But
And you mentioned solar. How much solar do you have?
that's right. We have two 100-watt flexible panels on the roof, and a 2,000-watt inverter, I believe it is, and with a nice Victron charge controller and all that good stuff. And then we have the one additional 136-watt flexible panel that we put out that we can kind of aim and move, follow the sun. So between the three of them, we've been getting really, down here, obviously in the Southwest, we've been doing fantastic. We did a whole kilowatt of power one day not too long ago. So with just those
Getting
300
plenty of power, we need to deal
watts.
with the storage. We have a storage issue, but
so
that's for future.
slides right
Still trying to
back
figure
there.
that one out.
Just put that back in. And
Very nice. Thank you for the tour.
yeah, you're
Thanks
very
for coming
welcome.
aboard, Steve. Anytime.
And we'll see. We'll have another tour next week.
Thanks, Steve. But so if you're interested in doing something similar to this, you can see it on Wander Boom, WANDER space boom on YouTube, Wander Booming on Instagram, and then if you want somebody to help build it for you, that would be Eric and his tools at gmail.com. You can reach us and can help you out. Thanks.
Yep.
Thanks, Steve.
No problem. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig, and join us again next Saturday for another episode.